Girija Girish Tambe, student of Vidya Pratishthan's New Bal Vikas Mandir, Pimpri from Standard 10. In this concept competition, my concept is related to burning of paper, melting of sugar, survival of human, photosynthesis of plant. I mean to say carbon. So my concept is carbon and its compound. Here are some points which we are going to learn in this video. First, introduction. Second, properties of carbon. Third, bonding in carbon. Fourth, carbon compounds. And fifth, versatile nature of carbon. Introduction. Millions of molecules ranging from the small and simple methane molecule to the extremely large DNA molecule are from carbon. The name carbon comes from the Latin word carbo, which means coal. Carbon makes up only about 0.025% of Earth's crust, yet it forms more compounds than all other elements combined. Carbon is the fourth most abundant substance in universe. Carbon is non-metallic chemical element in group 14 of the periodic table. Properties of carbon. Symbol of carbon is C. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Atomic mass of carbon is 12.011. Electronic configuration of carbon is 2,4. Valence electron of carbon is 4. Bonding in carbon. With a total of 6 electrons, a carbon has 2 in the first shell and 4 in the second shell. To attain the noble gas configuration, carbon has little tendency to form ionic bonds while losing or gaining 4 electrons. Instead, carbon usually completes its valence shell by sharing electron with other atoms in 4 covalent bonds. Carbon compounds. Carbon compounds are compounds that contain carbon as one of the constituent element. All living things, plants and animals are made up of carbon-based compounds. Versatile nature of carbon. Due to carbon's peculiar nature of covalent bond, it can form a large number of compounds. The reason why carbon is called versatile element are catenation, tetravalency, multiple bond formation and isomerism. Catenation. Carbon has a unique ability to form strong covalent bonds with other carbon atoms. This results in formation of big molecule. This property of carbon is called catenation power. Due to the strong and stable covalent bond, carbon is bestowed with catenation power. Tetravalency. Being tetravalency, one carbon atom can form bonds with 4 other atoms, carbon or any other. This results in formation of many compounds. Carbon atom form covalent bond with atoms of elements like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogen and phosphate to form different types of carbon compound in large number. Multiple bond formation. 2 carbon atoms can be bonded together by 1, 2 and 3 covalent bonds. These are called single bond, double bond and triple bond respectively. Due to the ability of carbon atom to form multiple bond as well as single bond, the number of carbon compound increases. Isomerism. Carbon has one more characteristic which is responsible for large number of carbon compound. It is isomerism. Isomerism is a phenomenon shown by 2 or more organic compounds having the same molecular formula but different properties due to difference in arrangement of atoms along the carbon skeleton or in space.